Ni moja kati ya wacheshi tajika na wapendwa sana katika eneo la Mlima Kenya. Jina lake ni Muthee Kihenjo. Muthee Kihenjo amepata kuandika ujumbe akiweza kuomboleza kifo cha moja kati ya wacheshi aliowahi kucheza nao, mcheshi wa kike Matuguta, ambaye inaaminika alipata kuiaga dunia hapo jana baada ya kuugua ugonjwa wa saratani. RIP. Kihenjo mourns the death of his colleague and famous female colleague in comedy. Muthee Kihenjo is a famous Gikuo comedian who always leaves his fans entertained whenever he appears on the screen or stage. His jokes are just of another level that no other comedian can copy his style and creativity. He runs a radio show alongside Wakarende from Monday to Friday at Murata, a famous show aired from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. He has been in the comedy industry for more than 25 years, which has inspired many in the industry. He has mourned the death of his close and famous actress and comedian called Jerusha Wajiko, alias Matuguta. According to Kihenjo's post, Matuguta had been battling with cancer for a long time, but now it has claimed her life. Kihenjo said that indeed she has found a big battle fighting cancer, but nothing can be done because she is no more. Jerusha Wajiko, alias Matuguta, you have fought a great battle with cancer, but now we have nothing to say. Rest in peace, Kihenjo wrote. Matuguta has been featured in many comedy series together with famous radio presenter Kihenjo and Mashangi, who are at the top of the comedy scenes in the Mount Kenya region. Hapo ndipo tunakamilishia video yetu, na kuomba usibanduke kabla ya kusubscribe ndani ya FM Show KE. Tungane katika video zetu zijazo.